Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. You're not broke because you don't earn enough money. You're broke because of 5 specific mistakes that quietly drain your account every single month. The crazy part? Most of these mistakes feel invisible. You don't even notice them happening until you look at your bank statement and think, where did all my money go? Today, we're fixing that. I'm going to show you exactly which expenses to cut. And yes, you can do this without eating ramen or canceling your gym membership. The first mistake is what I call the subscription cemetery. You've got Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, maybe 3 different streaming services you forgot you paid for, a meditation app, a fitness app, a music app. Do the math. Even if each one is just $12 or $15, that's easily $100 to $200 a month you're not tracking. Here's what most people don't realize. These companies count on you forgetting. They're banking on subscription fatigue. I want you to do this today. Audit every subscription on your credit and debit card statements right now. You'll probably find 3 to 5 services you completely forgot existed. That's literally free money left on the table. Mistake number 2 is the convenience tax. This is where you're paying extra money for convenience you don't actually need. Coffee on the way to work instead of brewing it at home. That's $5 a day. Over a year, that's $1,800. Food delivery apps with fees and markups instead of cooking or picking it up yourself. Another $8 to $10 per order. Premium gas when regular works fine. The higher mobile phone plan because you didn't want to switch carriers. These aren't huge individual purchases, but they compound into a lifestyle leak that costs thousands annually. The specific fix here is simple. Identify one convenience expense and cut it for 30 days. Just one. You won't miss it, and you'll free up real money. Mistake 3 is lifestyle creep, and this one's insidious because it feels like progress. You get a raise, so your rent goes up. You make more money, so your restaurant spending increases. Your salary climbs 5%, and somehow your expenses climb 7%. You end up with more money and less financial security. The solution isn't to stay broke on purpose or reject every upgrade. It's about being intentional. Here's what works. Whenever you get a pay increase or bonus, commit 50% of it to actual investments or savings before you touch the rest. That one rule stops lifestyle creep in its tracks while letting you enjoy your success. Mistake 4 hits most people hard. Not negotiating recurring costs. Your insurance premiums, your internet bill, your phone plan. These things go up automatically every year, but you think they're locked in. They're not. I'm talking about sitting down with actual numbers and calling providers. When was the last time you called your internet company and asked about a better rate? Probably never, right? That's exactly why they keep raising your bill. Real talk. 15 minutes on the phone could save you $20 to $40 every single month. That's up to $500 a year from literally one conversation. The 5th and final mistake is impulse spending on stuff you don't need. Not big purchases. Those you usually think through. I mean the small ones. The online order you place at midnight. The kitchen gadget that seems revolutionary. The limited time discount that creates fake urgency. This category alone probably costs you $50 to $150 monthly without you really noticing. Here's the psychological fix that actually works. Before any purchase under $50, wait 24 hours. Just one day. You'll cancel 70% of those orders. That's one of the highest ROI habits for personal finance you can build. So here's your action plan for this week. First, audit your subscriptions today. Second, pick one convenience expense and eliminate it. Third, call your insurance and internet companies and ask for a better rate. Do this before Friday. Fourth, set up a 24-hour rule for any impulse purchase under $50. These aren't restrictive changes. This isn't about sacrifice. You're literally just removing money leaks that don't improve your life. Most people who do this find they can cut between $300 and $600 from their monthly budget without feeling any lifestyle difference whatsoever. That's cutting expenses without cutting your life. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe. We drop money tips and strategies for financial freedom every single week. Drop a comment telling me which mistake cost you the most money this year. And remember, this is educational content about personal finance and money tips, not financial advice. Always talk to a qualified professional before making decisions about your money. You've got this.